You won't find this place in your typical travel guide. This is a world within a world, a bustling hub of ambition that connects factory floors in China to markets thousands of miles away in Lagos, Nairobi, and Accra. Welcome to Guangzhou, specifically to the few square blocks known by many as Little Africa. This is the front line of a multi-billion-dollar trade, and today, we're going inside.